Welcome back once again to our HR Toolkit on enhancing employee engagement. So in this fourth installment, we're going to dive deep into real-world examples of successful team building. So we've already covered some strategies and concepts in the previous videos, but today I really want to show you how some of the biggest companies out there are putting it into practice. So let's get right into it. Our first stop happens to be Google, a company that's built a reputation for not just technological innovation, but also for groundbreaking approaches to team dynamics. In 2012, Google embarked on what they called Project Aristotle, a research initiative aimed at identifying the key factors that lead to high-performing teams. Google meticulously studied over 180 different teams within their company, collecting data on everything from team composition to communication patterns. And what they found was surprising. The success of a team wasn't actually dependent on having the best or smartest individuals, but on how team members interacted with each other. And the most important factor they discovered was psychological safety. Teams that performed the best were those where members felt safe to take risks, voice their opinions, and make mistakes without fear of embarrassment or punishment. This environment of trust and open communication allowed teams to collaborate more effectively, share more ideas, and ultimately drive innovation on a whole new level. Creating psychological safety within your team fosters trust and open communication, which are essential for high performance and innovation. Next up, let's take a look at Zappos, the online shoe retailer that's known for its impeccable customer service and perhaps more importantly, its unique company culture. Zappos has always believed that the secret to great customer service lies in having a happy and engaged workforce. And to achieve this, they've built their entire company around a set of core values that are deeply ingrained in every aspect of the business. One of Zappos' standout practices is their rigorous onboarding process. So regardless of the role you're hired for, every new employee spends several weeks immersed in training that focuses not just on the technical aspects of the job, but on understanding and embracing the company's core values. This ensures that everyone at Zappos is aligned with the company's mission and way of working from day one. But here's where things get so interesting. Listen to this. After the first week of training, Zappos actually offers their new employees or potential employees $2,000 to quit if they don't like the job or they decide they don't like the job. And yes, you heard that right. They're actually getting paid to leave if they feel that they're not a good fit for the company. Now, this practice might seem a little bit counterintuitive, but I can see where it's coming from. It's actually designed to weed out those that are not a good fit or not passionate about the company's core values. This is something that I've never heard before, but I really support this idea because if a new hire cannot truly commit, they cannot improve themselves and they definitely cannot improve the company. And those who stay, on the other hand, are more likely to be deeply committed, which leads to higher levels of engagement and better teamwork across the board. So I have a question for you. What kind of communication strategies could have changed the outcome for the new hires that quit? And how would you implement them in your team? I want you to think about that for a little bit, okay? Investing in a strong, value-driven culture from the outset ensures that your team is motivated, aligned, and equipped to deliver outstanding results. So there you have it. Two leading companies, two different approaches to team building, both with remarkable results. Google's focus on psychological safety and Zappos' commitment to a strong, value-driven culture show us that successful team building isn't just about who you hire. It's about how you nurture and support those people once they're on board. Which of these strategies would work best for your team? Let us know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, make sure to check out our previous videos about team building if you're interested. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.